ginger and tanglad. Isa natin ang ating onion. Pampalit lang lang sa pag-isa mo ang pag-isla. Then put our tomato. Lagay ko na lahat for the meat ulit. Ayan. Isa natin ang ating sigang na aromatic na Pinay. Ang aking sinigang ay walang bawang. Yan muna. Bisa-bisa. Ganda oh. Okay, Kapinay. Let's check our ingredients. Ayan, nagisa na ng konti. Hindi, huwag mong tutuin yan kasi masyado na gisa. Kasi, we're still gonna cook it. Gusto mo mabuo rin yung kamatis. Now, what we're gonna do is we put hot water. Yan, masyado maalat. So, it's sinigang, kaya dapat mayroong sabaw, diba? Then, pakuluan natin. Alright, now this time, kumukulo na yan dahil mainit because the water is hot. We're gonna put our catfish. We have big slices of steak catfish. These are 2. The rest we're gonna fry it. Okay, ayan o. These are our catfish. Ayan, lagay natin. This is American catfish. I believe this is from Mississippi River. Yan, a big steak catfish. Yan. Yan. Alright, then lagyan natin na konting patis or umami taste. Parang alat. Patis for umami taste. Lalagay na rin natin yung ating pangpasinigang Kapinay. This is my homemade tamarind juice. Kaya pag natunaw na ito, luto na rin yun ng ating isda. Okay? Alright. Medyo marami ng konti ang ating sabaw. Ayan o, laki. Okay. Ayan. Sinigang na catfish. Hello, now let's gonna check our catfish. Okay, kumukulo na. Ang isda ay madaling maluto. There is our catfish. Now we're gonna put our radish. Chunky slices of radish, Kapinay. Yan o. Yan ang ating sahog. Alright, chunky. Chunky. Ang kamatis ay pampasim din sa sinigang. Yan. Catfish sinigang, Kapinay. We are cooking catfish sinigang. Okay, so let's cook both of the radish and catfish. At magprito rin tayo ng catfish. We are going to put kaffir leaves, pampabango. Yan, that's kaffir leaves, Kapinay, for aromatic. Okay, Kapinay, let's check our catfish. Yan. Almost done. Our radish is not cooked yet. Let's taste the saltiness. Tama na. Asim, sarap. sabaw. So, ang ilagay mo, pampalat talaga. Final pampalat is asin. Hindi patis. Hindi rin bagoong. Pag niluluto, I put a little slice of pepper for aroma. Kasi ayaw ng kapatid ko yung maanghang. Yan. O, malapit nang maluto ang ating radish. Kaya pag naluto na yan, luto na rin yung catfish. Ayaw kong halu-haluin kasi malalabog ang ating isda. Ang sarap ng ating sinigang ka-Pinays. After adding the salt, let's taste it again. Taste again. Taste after adding salt. Pwede na. Sarap. Asim sarap ka-Pinays. Asim sarap ka-Pinays. Lutuin natin yung ating radish. Lapit na maluto. Gawin nyo rin itong ganito yung yung mga ulo ng isda. Ulo ng salmon, ulo ng lapo-lapo. Okay, let's cook our radish first. Then we're gonna put our vegetables, ka-Pinay. Okay, ka-Pinay, let's take our radish. Pretty sure it's already cooked. Check it out. Let's check it out. Ayan, it's already shiny. So, luto na yan. Now, we're gonna put ang ilalagay natin ay pechay. So, we're gonna put the stem of the pechay first. Because the stem is a little bit longer to cook. Ah. Yan, sarap. Sarap, sarap. Okay, let's let it boil. Then we're gonna put the pechay leaves. Okay, ka-Pinay, let's check. Yan, gulo na. Now, we're gonna put our pechay. Yan, ang ating pechay, ka-Pinay. Para itong niluto natin ay sinigang na pesa. Hindi lang kasi prinito yung catfish. Okay. Yan. Ang ating sinigang na catfish. Yun. Dami. Sarap yan, ka-Pinay. Malalaki yung ating catfish na steak. So, all good, all good, all good. Yan. Pakuluan ng isa. Then, we're gonna turn off the heat. Para malanta lang yung isda. Malanta lang yung pechay. Kasi, even though we turn off the heat, it would continue to cook. Right? Yan. Yan. Okay, magprito naman tayo ng catfish. Put slices of ginger for aromatics. This is our catfish. When we put it, we have to like reduce the breading for our Please reduce the breading. Tak-tak mo. Shake it. Shake it like it hot. Yan. Okay, that's how we're gonna cook our catfish. Copy nice. Yan. Para hindi matalsik. You grate your fish. Pati bangos para hindi matalsik. Yan. Yan. Tatlo lang. You don't overcrowd your pot, because if you overcrowd your pot, the oil temperature would go down. You don't want to cover it because it will not be crispy, kaya wag mo i-cover yung piniprito mo para malutong. Oh, yan o, hindi natalsik kasi breaded. Our catfish is looking good. Cook mo a little bit more. Ayan, o. Already golden brown. But Filipino like it over well done. Filipino love well done fried fish, yung crispy. I like it too, of course. Ayan, kapit nice, our catfish. Ito na yan. Good. Ayan, ready cooked. Ready na to, luto na yan. By breading eh. Ayan. Okay, look. It's good. Okay. Ayan, luto na yan, tapi nice. First batch done. Okay, looks good. Second batch. We'll just push this in the tail, the small piece anyway. Okay, all right. And cook. Alright, kapinais, luto na rin ang ating second batch na catfish. Our catfish second batch is done. Yeah. nice, copy nice. Ganda. Yan, good. Okay, enjoy your cooking, copy nice. This is our cooking day. Yan, oh. Yan, alright. Next plate. That's it. This is it. Fancy. Yan. Ganda, oh. Hindi tayo tatalsikan. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your cooking, Kapinay. Yan, Kapinay, oh. Ang ganda ng ating catfish. Yan. Sarap. Ayan. Ganda, oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng pagkaluto. Restaurant style. Southern fried catfish style. Southern fried style catfish. Sarap. Yan. Kasi ganyan ang itsura ng catfish na in-order namin noon sa trabaho. Ganyan. The best thing next time is instead of cornstarch, try cornmeal. Use cornmeal of frying your catfish or fish or anything. Use cornmeal to fry your catfish or fish. It tastes good. It's a southern style frying. Alright, it's like a soul food. Okay? Alrighty.